Now we are cutting across to another breaking input and shifting our focus to Maharashtra, where an Audi car hit 2 to 3 cars in Nagpur this morning. Now, investigation revealed that the Audi car was in the name of the son of Maharashtra's BJP president, Saket Bhawankhole, and police have seized the Audi car and has detained the 2 people. Now, these are the latest inputs that we are getting from the ground, where an Audi car has hit 2 to 3 cars in Nagpur this morning, and investigations revealed that the Audi car was owned or in the name of the son of Maharashtra BJP's president, Saket Bhawankhole. Police have already seized the Audi car and has detained 2 people. As you guys can all As you all viewers can see on your TV screens, we are presenting the visuals. Let's take a look at some of the reactions we are getting on this report.
रात की घटना है। सेंटर पॉइंट होटल के सामने ये घटना हुई है। एक कार ने 2 कार और एक बाइक को डैश करके वो भाग गई है और भाग गई थी। जख्मी कोई नहीं था उसमें और उसका गुना दाखिल कर दिया है। दोनों आरोपियों को अरेस्ट भी कर लिया है और मेडिकल जांच भी करवा ली है। आगे की कार्रवाई चालू है और आरोपी के नाम अर्जुन हावरे और रोनित चिंतनवार है।
माझ्या मुलाच्या नावाने ती गाडी आहे आणि पोलिसांनी पूर्ण चौकशी केली पाहिजे, कोणालाही वेगळा न्याय लावू नये आणि पोलीस इन्क्वायरीमध्ये जे दोषी असतील त्यावर ती कारवाई केली पाहिजे। मी कुठल्याही पोलीस यंत्रणेची आता बोललो नाही, त्यांना जे आढळेल सीसीटीव्हीमध्ये किंवा जे काही त्याच्यामध्ये गुन्हा दाखल होईल तो सर्वांसाठी न्यायासारखा असला पाहिजे, कोणी राजकारणाचा असो कोणी असो। पण मला जे वाटतं पोलिसांनी पूर्ण इन्क्वायरी केली पाहिजे, सीसीटीव्ही सर्व्हेलन्स तपासले पाहिजे आणि योग्य कारवाई केली पाहिजे। सुदैवाने या अपघातामध्ये परमेश्वराच्या कृपेने कुणालाही त्या ठिकाणी जीवितहानी किंवा काही झाली नाही। मी परमेश्वराचे आभार मानतो, पण ॲक्सिडेंट मात्र याची चौकशी झाली पाहिजे असं मला वाटतं।
Well, joining us live for more details is Yasha. Very good morning, Yasha. Are there any reports of injuries in this entire accident, and what is the extent of damage to the other cars involved in the incident?
So yes, when you speak of this very case, there have been several cars that have been met with an accident along with this Audi car. Now, one was a Polo, the other one was a Maruti car. Now, this accident in fact took place at Kachipura Chowk. This Kachipura Chowk is in Nagpur. In fact, this incident took place in the wee hours of Monday, following which the person who was driving the Audi has been arrested. Now, your details that emerge in this case, in fact, speak about how the person who's been arrested in this case was, in fact, the driver of Chandrasekhar Bhawankhole's son. And apart from that, another passenger has also been arrested. But there were totally 5 people in the car, of which, when we speak of the other 3 people, they've all fled. When we speak of Saket Bhawankhole, Saket Bhawankhole was also present in the car, is what we hear from our sources. However, there's no confirmation about whether he was behind the wheels or not. So here, as of now, details emerge speak about how it was the driver of Saket Bhawankhole who was behind the wheels, and he has been arrested. Details also emerge speak about how there was a party that took place the previous night, which is where this accident took place. Those who've been injured have met minor injuries. There have been no major injuries when it comes to the accident in this case. In fact, those who've been injured have also registered the FIR in this case. Now, of course, we've also seen the details emerge and how Chandrasekhar Bhawankhole, the Maharashtra BJP chief, had also mentioned that those who've been involved in this should not be spared and there'll be no political involvement in this case. But here, of course, there were 5 people that were present in the car is something that has come out as far as the details in the case are concerned. As of now, Nagpur police is investigating this case and those who've been arrested are being questioned. Yes.
Right, Yasha. Well, you rightly pointed out that the investigation is ongoing and there is an FIR that has been registered. But can you take us through what are the charges against the detained individuals in which they have been detained first? And what is the next step in the investigation that we're looking at this point of time?
So yes, when I speak of the next step in this investigation, those who've been charged have been charged under clauses of accident. Apart from that, also sustaining minor injuries to those present in the other vehicle. When it comes to the investigation in this case, CCTV footage that we in fact see on our screen is something that cops have already access to understand who was behind the wheels. Apart from the details about what happened the previous night, is also something that cops are trying to understand and investigate in this case. Totally, like we've mentioned, there were 5 people in this case. So who were the other 3 people? Because as of now, details emerge which speak about how Sanket Bhawanpale was surely present in the car, but apart from that, the two people who've been arrested, one is a friend of Sanket Bhawanpale, the other one is a driver. So there are two people whose details is something that Nagpur police is yet to find out. So that is also something that cops are trying to understand. So this is the line of investigation as of now. Apart from CCTV footages, when we speak of those who've been arrested, the blood samples have been collected. They've also been sent for further forensic examination. And which is when it comes to these two people, details on the blood sample that have been collected would in fact show light as to whether those who were present in the car had also consumed alcohol or not. Yes.
Well, thank you so much, Yasha, for joining us on the broadcast. Well,